Align the front end of the panel. Avoid letting the middle Velcro contact the vehicle prematurely. Bend the panel slightly and insert the back end into the seat base. Align both ends and press firmly along the edges and center to secure the panel. Install the driver's side rear rail cover as shown in the video. Install the passenger side rear rail cover using the same method. Install the center rear rail cover by pushing the raised rear end forward into place. Once fully pushed in, press down the rear end to secure alignment. Install the driver's side front rail. Move the seat forward to check for interference and confirm proper installation. Pull back the front door weather strip. Align the top edge, then press the left front door protection panel into place. Align the front door sill trim with the panel and press downward to lock into place. Press along the front, rear, and center to ensure the Velcro fully adheres. Reinstall the weather strip from both ends toward the center, ensuring the sill trim stays aligned. Pull back the rear door weather strip. Lift the rear seat cushion. Insert the rear door sill trim. Install the lower C-pillar trim, ensuring it overlaps and aligns with the sill trim. Reinstall the weather strip while pressing the sill trim into position. Make sure the sealing strip covers the door sill protection strip. Compacted sealing strip.